Hello student. Chapter number 5 Lines and Angles. In that today we solve exercise 5.1. In that first question, find the complement of each of the following angles. You just find out complement angles of given angles. Okay. Before that one, we know that suppose two angle A and B are complement. Okay. That means total of that two angle equal to 90. And suppose here B is given, then how to find out A? So A equal to 90. We change the side of B. Here plus B is there. After changing the side, we get minus B. That means measure of any angle equal to 90 minus complement of that angle. Complement of that angle means given measurement of complement angle. Okay. So same here, question number 1, find the complement angle of in that first one. Okay, that is 20 degree. Okay, so you just write down complement angle of 20 degree equal to 90 minus 20 degree, that is 70 degree, because we know that sum total of two angle is 90 if they are complement, and one measurement is given, so second one is 90 minus given measurement. Okay, same in second one, that is 63 degree. Okay, so complement angle of 63 degree, otherwise complementary angle, equal to 90 minus 63 equal to 27 degree. Third one, 57 degree. So complementary angle of 57 degree equal to 90 minus 57 equal to 60, means 33 degree. Okay, now question number 2. Look, in that find the supplement of each of following angles. Supplement. Okay, so same here, if A and B both are supplementary, that means sum total of that one is 180. Suppose one is given, so second one is A equal to 180 minus B. Okay, so here what to do? Just minus that angle, subtract that angle from 180. Okay, the first one is 105 degree. So just write down supplement of 105, otherwise supplementary angle of 105 equal to 180 minus 105 equal to 75 degree. Second one is 87 degree. So supplement of 87 degree equal to 180 minus 87 equal to 80 का 100 minus 7, that is 93 degree. Okay, third one is number 3, that is 154 degree. So supplement of 154 degree equal to 180 minus 154 degree equal to 180 minus 150, that is 30 minus means 26 degree. Okay, now question number 3. Look that one. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. Okay, so to find out that one, what to do? We know that sum total, if sum total of two angle is 90, means they are supplementary, complementary, and sum total is 180, means they are supplementary. So what to do? Just find out total of that two. Look, first one 65 degree and 115 degree. So 65 degree plus 115 degree equal to 1 80 degree. Okay, that means just write down here pair of supplementary angle. Supplementary angles. Okay, second one, that is 63 and 27 degree, equal to 63 plus 27, that is 90 degree. Okay, so pair of complementary angles. Third one, 112 degree and 68 degree. So 112 plus 68 equal to 180. So pair of supplementary angles. Okay, same for fourth one, 130 and 50 degree, that is 130 plus 50 equal to 180. So just write down pair of supplementary. Fifth one, that is 45 plus 45, 90. Okay, and in that you just write down complementary. And same for sixth one, that is 80 plus 10 equal to 90, and that is also complementary. Okay, then question number 4. Read that question. Look, find the angle which is equal to its complement. Okay, two angles are there and both are equal, means they are equal or complement. We know that if complementary, okay, sum of two complement equal to 90 degree, and both are equal, means measurement of both are, suppose A, to A degree plus A degree equal to 90 degree, because both are equal, so we take measurement of both, one is A degree. Okay, that means 2A equal to 90. So A equal to 90, 2A means 2 into A. Okay, solve that equation. 2 into A, we change the side, that is converted into division form. 45 degree means A equal to 45. Here both are equal, so measurement of both. Okay, so measures of both angles equal to 45 degree. Clear? Now question number 5. Same is there. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Okay, supplementary angles means both are equal and they are supplementary. Now we know that sum of two supplements equal to 180. Suppose measurement of both are x, so x into x equal to, sorry, x plus x equal to 180, means 2x equal to 180. So x equal to 180 divided by 2, multiply, we change the side, that is converted into division, that is 90. So x equal to 90. So measures of both angle equal to 90, means both are 90 degrees. Okay, and total is 180. Clear? Now here, look, number 6. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. 1 and 2 are angles and they are supplementary. If 1 is decreased, what change should be take place in 2? Okay, here, look here. 1 and 2 are supplementary, means question number 6, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. Okay, now angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary, means angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180. Okay, now they are 180. So angle 1 equal to 180 minus angle 2. Okay, now look, angle 1 we subtract, here degrees is there, so we subtract minus x from that one. So 180 minus angle 2, and here we take minus x here, same here minus x, because you just subtract or add a number both of side to maintain the equality. Okay, now again we take the, means we change the side of angle 2 and x. So angle 1 minus x plus angle 2 plus x equal to 180. Now look here, to maintain that one, means supplementaries, what to do, what is happen, look, we subtract minus x from that one, same here, in means decrease minus x in x, first one, here minus x means plus x, means x is decrease here. So what happen, so here angle 2 is increase, same measure, angle 2 is increase with same measure, what is decrease in angle 1, means angle 1, how much angle 1 is the increase, same measures is decrease in angle 2. Okay, so today we solve question number 1 to 6 in 5.1. you just complete exercise 5.1 in that question 1 to 6 in your notebook. Rest of the questions we solve in next period. Okay, thank you.